SVR for my county now?
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4 p.m. At 3:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to near Marengo, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail.
Nickel-size?
Source, radar
That's not too
indicated.
bad.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Rochester, Wheatland, Genoa City, Walworth, Silver Lake, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Powers Lake, Browns Lake, Como, Pale Lake, Twin Lakes, and Bonners Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near the lakes in southern Walworth County, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle.
Oh!
Remember, lightning can strike out to
That was a
15
big
miles
one.
from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm.
Potential flash flood warning?
A tornado warning